Hi everyone, I'm Paula Villamil. I'm going to talk about the article I choose reserve war in occupational health and nursing. The title of this article is Experience of Frontline Nursing Staff on Workplace Safety and Occupational Health Hazards into Psychiatric Hospitals in Ghana. This article was published in 2018. Methods. This is an exploratory cross-sectional study among 296 nurses and nurse assistants in Accra and Pangtan psychiatric hospitals using the proportional stratific random sampling technique. The study population, there are only 3 psychiatric hospitals in Ghana, serving a population on over 29 millions. This study was conducted in 2 out of the 3 psychiatric hospitals. The hospitals. This study was conducted in 2 out of the 3 psychiatric hospitals. The hospitals. The process of tool development. The instrument used in the study was mainly structured questionnaires where staff filled in the questionnaires themselves and returned final. The questionnaire was developed following a in-gross review of relevant literature on safety in healthcare institutions. Finally, in the article, use was made of the definitions such as psychiatric health workers, nurses, and nurse assistants providing direct health care to patients in the 2 sample psychiatric hospitals. Nurses, health professional trained as a registered general nurse, registered psychiatric nurse, community psychiatric nurse, or any other category under the nursing. Fraternity nurse assistants, a health worker trained to assist the professional nurse in the clinical setting. They include nurse assistant clinical, nurse assistant preventive, work underlines health station. Workplace informants, individuals in managerial or administrative position who can influence policy decision and formulation in the 2 sample hospitals. Psychiatric healthcare facility, health institution specialized in psychiatric healthcare for patients with mental condition. Health hazard, psychological, physical, biological, ergonomical, and chemical agents and factors that have the potential of causing a health-related problem when one is exposed to them. Physical health hazard, factor, events, or situation present in our environment that have the potential to compromise the physical and psychosocial well-being of workers. Psychological health hazard, emotional events or situation present in a workplace that have the potential to compromise the physical and psychosocial well-being of workers. Biological health hazards, a category of health hazards that involve exposure to any form of viral, bacterial, or fungal infection in the course of performing one's duties. Workplace. The two sample psychiatric hospital where healthcare workers give care to mental health patients. Is all. Thank you.